Scott Redler of T3Live.com.
Scott Redler joins us.
Talk technical. Scott Redler's with us.
Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com.
By no means did we hit a bottom. And people worried about the gas prices and food prices. We're in an unhealthy market. By no means, again, are we at a trading bottom. Okay, the consumer's strangled. They're watching their housing prices go lower. They're watching their 401ks get diminished. They're spending higher prices on everything in their lives. So we're in a bad environment. And typically in environments like this, markets need to end in a dramatic way, I'm sorry to say.
Then, Dr. Doom, holy cow.
Anyway, he was very bearish, so the market could go down 20 to 25%. So far, you've been vindicated, sadly so, some might say. But now you are not Dr. Doom, you are Dr. Opportunity.
Our next guest was looking for a 20 to 25% drop in the markets. That was back in January.
But I'm not sure that that July 15th low is the ultimate low of this big bear market we're involved in right now.
Can we go below 10,000 on the Dow?
Yes, we can. I'm an American. I don't like when people are in pain. You know what? People should start taking accountability for their actions.
1,200 was the July low intraday on the S&P. Will we retest that low?
The probabilities say we should. We think that potentially we're going to retrace over 50% and we're going to go back to those lows. And if we break those lows, we're in for that volatile 6 to 8 week period where all excess is going to be squeezed out of the market. You're going to see poorly run hedge funds probably explode. We don't know if there's another brokerage firm that might go under. There are a lot of unknowns, so right now that's why you need to watch the price levels and have gauges to trade against so you don't get in harm's way. You have to kind of keep yourself out of harm's way and pick spots, and if that spot's not working, you have to move on and wait for another spot. And that spot might be 71 to 7,300 on the Dow, it might be 720 on the S&Ps.
Gordon, and interesting during the break, I want everyone to know we were talking about your returns. That money up 150% for the year based on 2 calls you got right. Crude would plunge and Goldman Sachs would plunge.
Hey Mark, I have something for you for next year.
Which is tough.
Okay, watch gold.
Our next guest saying gold has the potential to go to $1,500 an ounce. Gold is down today, up 6% for the month, though 20% over the past 2 months.
If it trades above last year's high of 1,000 and the world stays the way it is and gets worse, basically it might have one of those parabolic blow-off moves, and they should be involved now, testing the waters instead of chasing it when the whole world's talking about it, in 3 to 6 months from now.